today we're gonna reveal clue number 7. Can you believe it, guys? It's our last clue of our Magic Box 1 contest. I am extra excited about this. Are you, Leah? Yay! Yeah, everyone should be excited. And we're also gonna open up Shopkins. We have a Shopkins Small Mart. It's a playset, and it's called a Small Mart. And we also have a Shopkins Season 3 12-pack. Yeah, that's right. Yes. Here's the bag. It shows all the ones that you can get, but there are more. And there is some bags too full of stuff. Yeah. Do you see this, guys? It has 2 little yellow, tiny yellow bags there. And inside you open up a Shopkin. You mean blind bags? Yeah, 2 yellow blind bags. Shopkins blind bags. Francesca So let's move our magic box out of the way, and we'll ask what our clue number 7 will be later. All right? So what do you want to open up first, Leah? The small pack. The Small Mart. Here's the Small Mart. Let's see what's inside, and we'll open this next, right? Yeah. All right. We have to cut it with the tape. And let's open this up. So we got everything out of the box. So let me give you a tour. Here we have the outside. You have a blue door. It's a blue window door. It's kind of clear. They made a heart so you can put your 2 fingers and open it very easily. And whoa, look what came out. It's a Shopkins basket. It's a card, Leah. And it's come with 2 Shopkins. You're serious, guys. This is Margarina and Lala Lotion. Lala Lotion, Leah. Yeah. And it's pink and yellow. The wheels can actually move. And blue. And blue. And all right. And would you want to go back in there, please? Now let me give you a tour of the inside. But let me show you this basket here. Want to see what it does? Yeah. All right. You pull that heart. If you come up, you put a little Shopkin inside. You lift this up and watch. Let me show you. Look! We just need to put a little bag right here. We'll try in a minute, okay? Let me show everyone. Alright? So, let's lift this up. Look at that! They're kind of squishy, so they don't really want to slide. But she got in. Upside down. I don't think you'd like to be in your head. There we go. Alright. Now tonight's try? Yes, you can try with the other Shopkins. Okay? Okay. Great. There you go. Let's put this in here. Alright, go ahead. Whoa. We did not want to fall in the bag. It did come in by itself. Alright. So, now we just have to check them out, right? Yeah, in this Shopkins turning ball! I don't know what that means. Alright, let's get these out. And this is tied with La Lotion. And this is a Shopkins Tiny Top. This is one. Yeah, you know the name Corny Cop. So we put our little Shopkin on here. Her name is Polly Doll. Her name is Polly Doll. And we hold a little bag and we just spin this green thing. Oh, wrong way. And it's fall. And the mat moves and your Shopkin kind of falls in the bag. Can I try 2 of them? Yes. Like that? You can try. really want to fall in the bags. You let them. Thank you. Here we go. Margarina fell in there. Margarina not fell in there. Yeah, see? Look at that. And let me show you one more special thing about these. You see the little holes under here, okay? You see those holes? You put them on there. These have sticks up, so you can actually put them on here, and they'll be like shoppers. Inside, and they're not Open, you are open. Alright. So now we can open that. Yeah, we should open this to get more Shopkins. Alright. And open the blind bags. Yeah, we're gonna open the 2 blind bags. So let's open this up. Okay, here's a little tape on here. Let's get this off to open this. There we go. Tiny bit better. I'm totally destroying the box. Not now, but... Ah! Whoa! Did you see that? Yeah. So this is season 3. Wait, Leah, don't get too excited. Yay! Okay. Let me get this out. So we got all of our little Shopkins out. Why don't we take a closer look at all of our Shopkins? We have 10 Shopkins, 4 little Shopkins bags, and 1 Shopkins basket with 2 little blind bags inside. And first little Shopkin, we have Erica Eraser. Yes. Susie. No, this one is Nettie Spaghetti. Nettie Spaghetti. Light from Star Trek. Nettie Spaghetti. Tawny Tapper in red. And he has details on the back. Yeah, there's that. Oh. Knocking a couple of Shopkins up. See that? And this one's Handy Wasser. No. That one is Pee-wee Kiwi. And on the top is string color. This one is Flappy Cap. Flappy Tabby Cap. And here we have Duckling. Humpty Dumpling. He looks like a duck because in purple. Humpty Dumpling in purple. And this one is Wanda Waffer in red. She can be in pink. Yellow. And yellow and brown. And red. And this one is see that? Yellow and brown. Vanilla Slice. That's Vanilla Slice. She's lit like a bud because that's writing. Susie Sunday. And Beverly Hills in yellow. That's the last one. And we're gonna open up these 2 blind bags. Here you go. Now it's time to open our Shopkins blind bags. Let me go first. Okay, let's see who I got. Okay, I found her right away. This is Shoes Anna. I know how to pronounce it. And my toe. That one's kind of small, so it's going to be on the other side. What? Oh, yeah, I just found it. Rita Ruler. There we go. And now it's time to open up our magic box. Let's get it. And what do we have to say before we open it? The magic spelling box. That's a box. Yes, it is. It's not just an ordinary box, it's a magic box. Let's say the magic spell all together. Magic box, be so kind. Let us see what's inside. Ta-da! Open the magic box. Oh, wow! We even found one more Shopkins basket. And clue number 7. Why don't we open this first? And then that. Yes, then the Shopkins basket. Oh, but I can't believe it. We just used to find clues in the magic box, but this time we found the surprise basket. Open this up. It's blue. Yes, it is. Okay, we'll take it out. It says collector. So guys, remember, our clue number 7 is word collector. Collector. So why don't we go ahead and open our Shopkins basket? Alright, let's just put this in here. Alright, let's see what we got in here. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I don't really want to ruin this packaging, but I think it's really nice. Pretty. Yeah. Alright. Okay, here you go. Open it. Scissors. So I like the Shopkins. Oh, I see the eyes. I see the eyes. What can that be? I don't know. Wait, toasty hot? Maybe. I think that's great. This guy can smash it. Ooh. Oh no! Oh wow, not oh no. I'm trying to find this one. Leah, can you show it to them? Sure. While I find them. Poppy corn. I don't know if it's poppy corn. See that thing on her? It just says pop there. Alright, I'm trying to find it. Pop. You're right. Ooh, I think no. That's not. Oh, here it is. Pop rock. And I think that's the same thing. That one is pop rock. Here he is. Told you it's pop rock. No, you said poppy corn. Oh, it is pop rock. Right. Ooh, I can see the face too. Your lips too. Maybe it's the tape. Let me open this with the scissors. I guess I can. Who is this? Whoa! Look who popped out. Let's see who this is. Alright. And poppy corn is right here. Alright. Your face is silly. I just traded poppy corn. Oh, here she is. Scotty. In poppy corn. And we got the one in yellow. Stop! Here he is. Yay! Yeah. We can put some of our Shopkins in the shopping basket. Wow. Let's put in those two. There we go. Look at them. Right. Can I put all of those? There we go. I put all of those. So we can now shop for Shopkins. We already have such a big collection. Look at that. We have 2 full bags. So thank you for watching our video. We hope you liked it. And remember, today was our last clue of our Magic Box 1 contest. And now you can put together all our 7 clues and post them in our comment section. and you can become one of our 2 contest winners. And whoever becomes one of our 2 contest winners will receive 2 Frozen Mystery Minis by Funko. Yay! I am so excited. You should be too. Yay! One more thing, guys. We'll put 2 pictures at the end of the video side by side. One will be original and one will be different. There can be something missing, misplaced, or added. You can post this in our comment section also if you find the differences. So, was great to see you. Don't go too far. We will be back. Just click subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye. Now it's time for us to play. Yay! Yay! Come on. Alright guys, as we mentioned during our video, we are posting these 2 pictures for you to tell us what differences you see. Just to give you a hint, there are 6 things that are different from the original picture. If you figure out what is missing, misplaced, or doesn't belong, please post it in our comment section. Also, today we revealed our final clue. Clue number 7. If you collected all of the 7 clues from our Magic Box 1 playlist, please post them below. We will announce our 2 contest winners in a special video 14 days from the day this video was published. Each of our 2 winners will receive 2 Frozen Mystery Minis. Remember, if you're under the age of 18, you need your parent or guardian consent to participate in our Magic Box 1 contest. Good luck to all of you, and if you want to see more of our videos, click on the pictures. Once again, thank you for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye everyone!